So today is my first day of finals week. Okay, I think I went a little overboard on my makeup today. I kind of look like a clown. Like I kind of look like the Joker. I think before the red lipstick and the blue, it like looked really good. But I'm trying to like get use out of like the colorful eyeshadow colors I have because I rarely use my colorful colors. I like only use like the basic colors. So I was like trying to be like creative, but I don't really know if it works out. Anyways, so today is my first day of finals week. Or like it's kind of like finals 2 weeks because I have one at like the beginning of like next week. It's like finals week and a half. I haven't studied yet. I literally have to leave my house to study. Like if I'm at home, there's just too many distractions. Like I'll like go on my phone and go on TikTok. There's just too many distractions. I had all yesterday to study for this final and I didn't. I went on TikTok for 2 hours. I took a nap because I was really tired. I went to Walmart. I got some chocolate. I ate the chocolate. I probably went on TikTok again. Probably watched some videos. I don't even know what I did, but I didn't study. So I really have to leave the house to study. I cannot study here. I think I'm gonna go to like Dunkin' Donuts and then get a donut and study. So yeah, I have an 80 in this class. So there's no way I can fail. Even if I get a 0, I'll still pass. Yeah, I think I would still pass with like a 70 if I got like a 0, but I won't get a 0. I'm gonna study. I just wanna be able to just go in there and take it, but it's like fill in the blank. Honestly, this class is way too hard. I mean, I have an 80 and I think most people in the class have like higher than me, but like all of his tests are fill in the blank and they're like specific questions about the plays and it is hard. Honestly, it's like hard when you don't know anything. Like you can't just go in there and not know anything because you'll literally get a 0 because it's literally fill in the blank and like specific questions about like plays that we had to read. So yeah, I need to study. I guess I'm gonna get in the car. Time for my OOTD. So my skirt, I feel like I look bad. I feel like this is a bad outfit. Yeah, I kind of think this is a bad outfit. Anyways, my skirt is from Forever 21 and then my shirt I think is from like TJ Maxx. I feel like my outfit and my hair and makeup all looks bad today. But you know, it's fine. I probably won't see someone I know. Hopefully not. Hopefully. I really hope I don't. But anyways, tomorrow it might be better. I can't guarantee it will, but it might. Okay, I'm at Dunkin', about to go in and study. I'm literally so dumb. I got there to study. I turned on my laptop and it is out of power. So now I have to go home. So yeah. Okay, I'm about to take my test. Oh my god, my lipstick's like gone. It's from eating. Anyways, I don't know. It's gonna be hard. It's literally hard. I'm like not exaggerating. Like it's all fill in the blank. So like I won't even know my grade for like probably like not even until like the day before the end of the semester. Because he takes a while to grade them. So yeah, it's all fill in the blank. So it's really hard. And they're like specific questions and it's fill in the blank. So I'm gonna study for a few more minutes and then go in. Probably get like a 60, but I tried my best. Okay, I have like 10 minutes before I'm walking into my test. I'm so scared. Or did I skip a page? Oh my god, I didn't even look at all that stuff. I accidentally skipped a page. If my 80 goes down to a 79, it will literally screw up my GPA so much. Like my GPA will be so bad. Yeah, so my eyeshadow is still going strong. Okay, I just took my final. It was really hard. It was all fill in the blank like all those other tests. Hopefully I got an 80. I feel like I maybe got an 80. I don't know. Time to go home. It's like dark now. Hello. It is day 2 of finals week. I am in the Chick-fil-A line. I'm also late to class because I decided to go to Chick-fil-A, but it's fine. Anyways, I don't have a final today. I do have a lot of stuff to do because I have finals tomorrow and a lot of stuff done for the end of the week. But I'm procrastinating by being in the Chick-fil-A line. So there is where the food is gonna be. And it's gonna be in my mouth. Yeah. Who wants to be in my vlog?
I'm gonna demonetize it. Is it recording now?
Yes, it's recording. That will be bleeped out or cut out. I broke a flash drive.
And some guy's tooth.
I spilled waffle fries on the floor. What did you spill?
I spilled crack.
You spilled cracker?
You ate the waffle fries.
I didn't eat the ones on the floor. I ate the ones that spilled on the desk.
Oh.
Hello. Okay, it's Tuesday. I have like 2 finals tomorrow. I got a project to do and an essay to do, so that's gonna be a long night. I have 2 finals tomorrow and one of them is Spanish, which is is it my worst one? I think it's my worst class. So I have to study really hard, but as you can see in the messy clip before, in class today, I jammed a flash drive into a computer and it got stuck in there. And then a guy tried to pull it out with his with his teeth and he chipped his tooth. I'd be so scared. I've never chipped a tooth before. All my teeth are still going strong. Hopefully they'll stay going strong until I die. Yeah, so. Hello! I didn't wear any makeup today because I was super tired and lazy. It's like 10 a.m. I don't know, I just don't even want to take my Spanish final because it's gonna be hard, and like I don't even know what to study because like last time her like study guide, I studied it for like 2 hours and it was literally nothing like the test. Like it literally didn't help me at all. Like I don't even think I got like 1 question for it. But like I need to study because my grade's horrible, but I don't even know what to study because their study guides don't help. I don't want to go to class, but I have to. It's Thursday. I couldn't be more tired. That's my only update.
I don't want to see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness.
So ugly. Hello! It is my last final, finally. I get to use some note cards on it, which is nice. So I need to make the note cards and then head to school. I'm so tired. I don't look tired because I put a little bit of makeup on, but I am tired. I like feel like falling asleep, but yeah. I'm too lazy to make the note cards, but I need to make them. Okay, I finished my note cards. I guess I'm going. I feel ugly. Also, I'm just like kind of a mess. Like my outfit is like dumb and like I look dumb. I don't know, maybe I should brush my hair and stuff and look cute, but like also why look cute, you know? Yeah. Oh no, this has been recording this whole time. Okay, I finished my finals, so now I don't have to go to school for like a month. I hate school so much, literally so much. Every day I go to school I want to die, but now I don't have to go for like 3 weeks, so that's really good. Okay, I'm fine. That's the end of my finals week vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat, because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please, 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 please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye.